don't have to be a master pastry chef to create a masterpiece. That's right, I made that, and so can you. All you need is a cookie cutter, a little time, some patience, and a quiet afternoon. I found making this pie very, very relaxing. And if you have little ones in the house, they can help you. Let me show you how it's done. You will need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 cup of apple cider, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 4 pounds of Granny Smith apples, 1/2 lemon, a teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg yolk, a tablespoon of water, a prepared 9-inch double crust pie dough, and a cookie cutter. Peel and core your apples. If you don't have an apple corer, just do it the way I do. Then cut your apples into 1/2-inch slices and drizzle with lemon juice. Over medium heat, melt your butter, add your brown sugar, white sugar, flour, apple cider, salt, and stir to combine. Bring your mixture to a boil, add your apples, and toss to coat. Spoon your mixture into your unbaked bottom crust and roll out your top crust. Dip your cookie cutter in flour and cut out your shapes. Create an egg wash with your yolk and water and brush it along the edge of the pie. Working your way around the pie, gently press your cutouts along the edge, slightly overlapping as you go. Continue building up the top crust with your cutouts. Trim the excess and then brush the whole top with the egg wash. Bake on a lined cookie sheet at 425 for 15 minutes, then reduce the heat to 350 and bake for another 40 to 50 minutes. This pie is as delicious as it is beautiful. It's almost like a caramel apple in a pastry crust. So I hope you'll give it a try.